Welcome to the Gabscriber app tutorial series. In this video, I'll show you where to find your saved transcriptions. Gabscriber is a real-time, speech-to-text transcription app, now available on the Microsoft Store. So, where to find your saved transcription? If you click the Save Transcription button, you can find your transcription in the location you have chosen. If you click the Stop Transcriber button, your transcription is automatically saved. To File Explorer, Documents folder, Gabscriber folder with a text file named Gabscriber_stop, timestamp. Timestamp refers to transcription year, month, day, hour, minute, seconds. After every 10-minute app break, your transcription is automatically saved to File Explorer, Documents folder, Gabscriber folder with a text file named Gabscriber_break, timestamp. For the complete tutorial on how to use the Gabscriber app, visit gabscriber.com. Download the Gabscriber app today and transcribe your spoken words into text in real time with the Gabscriber app. Now available on the Microsoft Store.